For this DIY, you would need some plain canvases. I got mine from
the China Mall.
I got the big ones for 17 cedis and the smaller ones for 8 cedis. This one is A4. The size is A4. And this is A3. It's a little bit smaller than A3, but they said it's A3. So I got these. You would also need a white glue or a Mod Podge, anyone that you have. I bought these 3 sets for 10 cedis. A pair of scissors, and then your photo, the photo that you'll be using. So I got my pictures from Pinterest. I went to Pinterest to get the pictures, and I went to a print house to get these printed. So these are art card or art paper printout. It's not a normal photo. These are the images I have here for the smaller ones. Okay, and this is A, like Abena, so the symbol A. This is an eyelash and another A. So the main motive of this art is to use some for wall frames in my hall and then the remaining in my bedroom. I'm gonna start with the one that I'll be gluing on the canvas, and the rest will be in a glass frame. So starting with the A3, let me put these aside. First off, with my first canvas, I'm going to take the rubber off. I thought I had a brush around, but this is what I have. I don't know if it will work. So first off, I'm going to measure my artwork on the canvas longer than the paper. So we're going to trim the rest off. Now it fits perfectly.